And here's the progress today. I changed how I feed them, and this seems to be great. I forgot I had these little containers. So there's way less mess. It's really easy to fill. I don't even have to open the door to do this, but everybody is now enjoying upstairs. So there's the moon. And then at night, and we'll see, because everybody clustered down on the bottom last night because there is a heating pad. It's like for germination. Anyway, so I unplugged it today so it wasn't warm, and once it wasn't warm, then they all decided to go upstairs. But then when I put these 3 little containers in, I didn't notice, because they're sneaky little shits. 4 of them disappeared into the house. But I caught 2, and 2 snuck back in through those slats in the back. But I think I counted 14. I could have 1 still missing. I hope not. Anyway, love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.